Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want to make this nail art, and yeah, let's get right into it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So to start off, I am going to use my cuticle softener and my cuticle brush to get my cuticle work done. Okay. So now I'm going to file my nails to give my nail a texture, a rough texture, and I want to use this small mini buff to do that. So yeah. Okay. This is alcohol wipe, and I'm going to use this to clean all the excess. Yeah. So something like that. Clean all the nail cuticle dust and everything. This is my sizes picked out, and we are going to be doing gel X nails. So I picked out my soft gel nail tips, and I'm going to apply a layer of top coat. Oh, sorry. So I meant base coat. I will be applying base coat on my nails and cure it in the lamp. Okay, I finished applying base coat and I cured it for 60 seconds. Now I'm going to take my nail drill and file the insides of my nail like this. Over here, I decided to apply base coat, but then the base coat was very runny, and so it made the application have bubbles, and I didn't like it at all because it was spilling. So for my index, middle, ring, and little fingers, I used gel to adhere the nails onto my natural nail. Over here, if you have a thick base coat, you can use it. But if your base coat is runny, then use a gel. It could be a 6-in-1 builder gel or any gel, be it thick gels or slightly thick gels. So I'm done with all my nail tips, and now I will use a brush that I don't really like that much and dip it in acetone, a very tiny amount, and seal it around my cuticle area to give it that seamless look. So I'll be using this nail polish for as my base coat, and I got this from my Temu haul, which I made a video on. So if you wanna go check my Temu haul video, you can tap or watch it after this. So this is how it looks. Hi guys, I am back and I am done applying the nail gel. I did 2 coats of the gel polish, and I am really sorry. I know that I am barely posting me doing all the process, but this is my second video on YouTube and I'm really struggling both recording and making the nail the nail art at the same time. But then we are moving on to the nail art and I'll try to keep everything in. So this is rhinestone glue, and for my index and my ring finger I will be making chrome. So I'm going to make a design which I learned from Ariana Nicole. She is a nail enthusiast. She makes videos on nails and I really like it and I want to try it. So yeah. I wanted to control the amount of chrome powder that I use on my nail so that it doesn't get too much. So I'm using the chrome powder on the lid of the chrome bottle so that I am able to manage what I am using. So after I finished with the chrome powder, I took my brush, dipped it in acetone and cleaned around where the chrome powder got onto my nail instead of the rhinestone glue. After I cured it in the lamp for 60 seconds while I applied the top coat on. So I applied the top coat on the chrome and cured it for 60 seconds. And I'm going to do the same thing on my ring finger, and I'm just going to do the same thing, something that is rough with the rhinestone glue, and apply my chrome powder. This is how my nail is looking now. I top coated them, so now I am going to do my middle finger, and I'll be using this. I want the white one, so I'll be using the white one on here. Okay. My initial plan for the thumb was to make 3D nail flowers on my thumb, but I checked the time and it was 1 a.m. So I decided to make the same nail art on my middle finger onto my thumbnail. Then I added the caviar beads on them. For the little finger, I wanted to make a French tip and I was struggling to make it on camera, so I had to do it off camera and come back after I was done making it. This was my final look. Overall, I liked how it looked for a beginner, and this being my first time making nail art, I liked what I made or I created. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like on the video if you love this video, and drop any comments or tips down in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.